student. A very good morning to everyone. So today we are completing the topic that is size reduction portion. Okay. So in previous class we have discussed about the instrumentation portions of size reduction. What are the important equipment used for the size reduction? So in previous class we discussed about working principle, construction, advantage, disadvantage, and application portion of hammer mill, ball mill, and fluid energy. So today we are completing the last portion of this chapter, that is two important machine or working mill used for the size reduction purpose. First one is edge roller mill, and second one is end roller mill. Okay, edge roller mill and end roller mill. Okay, so coming to the principal portions of this mill. Working principle. So basically this edge roller mill work on the principle basically compression. Okay, basically compression or crushing. Okay, compression or crushing. Why it is work on the principle of compression or crushing? Because here we are using roller. Okay, and this roller is generally made with stone, and roller they are heavy in weight. So as roller having heavy in weight, when they come contact with the feeding material or grinding material that is placed into the dead portion of this mill, due to the movement of the heavy weight roller towards feeding grinding material, it will create a pressure. So working principle will be compression. Okay, compression or crushing. Then construction. Coming to the construction portion of this equipment or this mill, generally this mill having two heavy roller, and this roller generally made up by stone. Okay, and it having the dead portion, and dead portion also generally made up by stone, and towards the dead portion the metal is placed. Okay, and these two heavy rollers that is joined by a central shaft. Okay, and shaft, and this two roller is also attached with another central shaft. So as they are attached with central shaft, these two rollers also rotate their own axis. Okay, so they rotate their own axis. Rollers are rotate as well as move towards upward and downward. Okay, রোলার গুলো কি করছে, ওন অ্যাক্সিসে মুভ করছে এবং ডাউনওয়ার্ড রোটেট ডাউনওয়ার্ড কি করছে, মুভ করছে, রোটেট করছে এবং মুভ করছে। তাহলে কি হচ্ছে, এখানে হচ্ছে কম্প্রেশন, এখানে কি হচ্ছে কম্প্রেশন হচ্ছে, পার্টিকেলগুলো ব্রেকডাউন হচ্ছে ইনটু স্মলার particle. Okay, these are the construction portion. Then coming to the working portion. So working is similar as I am discussing the construction portion. So you are trying to crush the feeding material. You have to place the grinding material into the bed portions of this equipment. Okay, so এখানে কি করতে হবে, বেড পোরশনে মেটেরিয়াল গুলো প্লেস করতে হবে, দেন allow to message on the machine, and as the roller is move towards the feeding material and hit towards the material, so they create a pressure towards material, and material will break down into smaller particle. After operations of this machine, the material will be collected and shipping passing through a specific sheet in order to getting the particle in uniform size and shape. Okay, this is the working principle. Then coming to the use. Okay, so what are the important use, that is the edge roller mixer, edge roller mill. So it is used to grind straw material and verify material. Straw material, that means the material which is very hard in nature. So as the material is very hard, so particle are they are attached with each other in a very attractive force. Okay, so for this types of materials, if we are trying to break down or grind into smaller particles, so there will need some more pressure, okay, or compression. So that will create more compression, as we are using heavy roller and generally made by stones. Okay, so it is used for the grinding of material which are rigid in nature, okay, which are very toy in nature, and that will create the material more pressure or compression and help to getting the product into the fine particle. Then coming to this will use for the plant-based product. So plant-based product, generally plant product they are very rigid in nature, they are very toy in nature. So if we are trying to break down the plant product into smaller particles, so it will help to grind the material. So it is the application portion or use portion. Then coming to the advantage, we do not need to give attraction during their process. Okay, so there will be no need to any attraction force. It can be easily handled easily, and labor cost will be minimized. what are the disadvantages of this machine? So contaminations of the other metal, there will be chance, as this roller is generally made up by stone, so there will be chance to contaminations of stone as a impurity into the product. Okay, and not used for the sticky material. Okay, as we are here using the stone, heavy stone, so heavy stone create pressure towards the grinding material. So if we are using very sticky material, subway material having some moistures or hygroscopic material, they can stick into the roller of the this machine. Okay, they can stick into the bed of this machine. So sticky material we cannot grind. Okay, and more space than other metal. It requires space. So here we require the space requirement is more. So space is during the installation process, space requirement is more. Okay, time consumption and energy consumption is high. As here we are using heavy roller, so their movement, okay, and their rotation towards its own axis need more energy. Okay, so more high power motor is used for their rotating purpose, so that will consume the more energy. Okay, so these are the some basic disadvantage portions of the edge roller mill. I think you are getting my point. Then coming to the discussion portion of the end roller mill. Okay, so end roller mill work on the principle basically to impact and attrition. How it work by two principle, that is impact and attrition. How it work? So it having the stationary motor and movable passenger. Okay, movable passenger. So as stationary motor generally made up having some stones and generally made up by some stone. Okay, and feeding metal is placed into the stationary bed. Okay, so firstly feeding metal is present. So when we place the feeding metal into the this stationary motor and switch on the this machine, the pressure will hit towards this this feeding metal. So as it create impact, so as it hit towards the stationary bed, the material present into the stationary bed, so it will create an impact. So the working principle will be impact. How it create attrition, and also this vessel is attached with the motor, and this motor rotate help to rotate this vessel in its own axis. Okay, as the vessel is rotated its own axis, also it creates the attrition force towards the grinding material. So by this two working principle, this machine is basically work. Okay, this is the principal portion, and if coming to the construction portion, this machine generally having two portion. One is stationary motor and another is vessel. Stationary motor consists stationary motor and another is rotating vessel. Okay, stationary motor also present some stone inside the stationary bed. Some stone is present inside the stationary bed, and here the feeding material or grinding material will be placed, or particle or material which are trying to reduce the particles generally placed here. Okay, this portion. Okay, so working and this and also having the rotating vessels, and rotating vessels connected towards a motor. As motor rotate, then it will help to rotate the vessels. Okay, and the movements of the vessels is happen towards stationary bed. As it is towards stationary bed, okay, এখান থেকে কি হবে, এটা হিট করবে এবং এটা রোটেট করবে, অ্যাক্সিসে রোটেট করতে করতে হিট করবে। তাহলে কি হবে, এটা হচ্ছে ইমপ্যাক্ট এন্ড অ্যাট্রিশন, both these two are working here. Okay, so both these two principles are working here. This is the construction working principle. So firstly the material which we are trying to grind will be placed here. Okay, and then allow to machine switch on. After machine will be working condition, the vessels, rotating vessels will be heated into the stationary bed as heated into the stationary bed. Okay, so as it heated into the stationary bed, it creates impact and attrition. So material will be taken down into smaller pieces, and after grinding, material will be collect and then pass to the specific sieve. So as we are performing the sieving phenomena, so after passing through the specific sieve, we are getting the product in a standard size and uniform size and shape. Okay, so this is the working principle, and then coming to the application portion. So what are the basic applications? So application, it is used to reduce the material into very fine particle powder. So it is help to getting the product into very fine state. Okay, so basically it is used to for the reductions of particle size of heavy of tall materials of rigid material, and it will help to getting the product into their very fine state. Okay, it's the application portion. What are the advantage portion? Advantage, easy to handle. Okay, and it is no more heat produced. It is as the vessel is rotating on axis, so there will be no sometimes heat generated, but this heat will be negligible amount. Okay. Okay, so and less electricity, and it will consume less electricity as compared to edge roller cage. And the what are the disadvantage portion? It is not used for the starting material. Okay, starting material, and it is used for the big particles. Okay, so it is basically used for the grinding of big particles, not more small particle is used. And sticky material, sticky potential material cannot be used. Here also sticky material we cannot use, and in this case here sticky material cannot. Sticky material, that means that will stick into the press section motor as they are present some amount of moisture. Okay, these are the some working principle, construction, application, advantage, disadvantage of two important instruments, that is edge runner wheel and end runner wheel, that is used for the size reduction process. So I am completing the topic size reduction. Next class we will discuss into the new topic, that is size separation. Okay, so I think you are getting my point what I am discussing today. If anyone having any doubt, you can discuss into the discussion class. Thank you.